will have the different material. If last week we had the telephoning one about how to make a call, yeah, for today's meeting, we will have the material about how to receive a call or uh, how the expression about receiving a call. Jadi kalau minggu lalu kita membahas tentang bagaimana menelpon, ya. Hari ini kita membahas tentang bagaimana kita menerima telepon, ya. The methodology will be the same. We will discuss about the meaning, yeah, the vocabulary. We try to understand about that, and then the expression, how to receive a call, yeah. And then we differentiate between we differentiate between the formal and informal language, yeah, in what situation we use, and with whom, in what condition, in what place we use the formal and informal language, yeah. So to make time shorter, yeah, it will be the same with last week and last 2 weeks with our meeting today. I will share the material first, yeah, and then I will give you 5 until 10 minutes. Yeah, please read the material correctly in detail. Yeah, please try to understand the expression, the meaning, and the vocabulary, yeah, especially in the exercise. Yeah, we will discuss the more difficult exercise, everyone, because it will be about phrasal verb. Yeah, actually the phrasal verb has the different meaning with the uh, word itself. Jadi ada frase yang itu artinya jauh sangat berbeda dengan kata aslinya, ya. Misalnya nanti ada hang on, hang up, ya. It will be different with the word hang, ya. Kata hang sama hang on itu artinya jauh sekali, ya. So please read in detail, yeah, and try to understand. I will open my CIA when you learning the material, and then I will share the link of the attendance, yeah, so you can fill the attendance list, yeah, into our Zoom today, yeah. Okay, wait for a minute. I will share the material into WhatsApp group, and then I will share also the link for attendance, yeah. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you for the response. Sudah diterima materinya?
Sudah, sir.
Oke, silakan dibaca dulu ya. Saya beri waktu 5 sampai 10 menit ya. Setelah itu kita diskusikan.
Okay, sir.
Oke, sudah selesai membacanya? Halo, bisa dengar suara saya? Sudah selesai belum?
Sudah, Sir.
Yang lain sudah?
Sudah, Sir.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Your response is very important, yeah. So yeah, when I ask you something in this Zoom, please you answer my question, yeah. Whether you say yes or no, yeah, not yet or yes, I have finished. Yeah, it's very important, yeah, because yeah, as many as I say that we are in the online classroom, yeah. So yeah, I cannot look your appearance, yeah. So yeah, I need your response very well, yeah. Okay, the material today, yeah, I have shared in the Zoom screen, yeah. The title is about telephoning to, yeah. It is the part of the telephoning material. If last week we already discussed about how to make a call or making a call, yeah, we call someone. Now we will discuss about receiving a call or accepting a call. So someone who call us, ya. Jadi kalau minggu lalu kita belajar bagaimana kita yang menelpon, hari ini kita belajar bagaimana kita yang ditelepon. Sama kita akan belajar tentang vocab yang digunakan, ya, and then ekspresi yang digunakan, ya, what expression. And then after we understand about the expression, we can differentiate, yeah, between the formal and informal language, yeah, formal and informal language. And then the last one, we can applicate, yeah, whether in written or in spoken. Written mean when I ask you to make the example of dialogue of telephoning, you can do that, yeah. And then for the spoken, yeah, when I ask you to practice, yeah, with your friend, yeah, in pair maybe, you can have a good dialogue using the telephone, yeah. Okay, talking about receiving a call, yeah, we will talk about step, yeah, step when we accept the call or when we receive the call, yeah. When we receive a call, yeah, automatically the step one is we answer the phone, yeah. We as the receiver, yeah, we will answer the question of our caller, ya. Dari orang yang telepon kita, kita bertugas menjawab apa pertanyaan mereka, ya. Misal, when we firstly answering the phone, yeah, we can use the informal language, yeah, by saying hello, directly spelling our name, ya, hello Matt here, atau hi Jody, how are you, atau hi Justin, what's up, ya. It is the informal language when we firstly answering the phone. And then the second one, we can answer the phone by using the formal language, yeah. Yeah, as many as I say that the informal language, yeah, it is used when we talk with our friend or buddy, yeah, with a informal situation, yeah. But in the formal, yeah, we can use it in the school, in the company. We are as the employee or in front manager, ya, frontliner, ya, kita menggunakan kalimat formal, ya. Kalimat formal bisa menggunakan hello, ya, Serena speaking, atau we use the word please, ya, atau the name of the company or the office, misal Dr. Martin's office here, ya. City Library, Kim speaking, what can I do for you, Robert? Yeah. How can I help you? Thank you, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, you must be able to differentiate between the formal and informal language, whether the expression and the when we use the language. Yeah. it is the first step. Yeah, the first step is answer the phone. Yeah, and then the second step maybe if the someone that the caller want to speak is not available. Yeah, we can say I'm sorry. Yeah, he is not reachable. Ya, sama seperti yang minggu lalu ya, available atau reachable, ready ya. I'm sorry he is not ready. Ya. Sorry he is away for the week. Ya. Sorry he is not in. I'm afraid she is meeting now. Ya. Dan sebagainya. Ini menunjukkan bahwa kita ingin menyampaikan pada si yang memanggil itu bahwa orang yang dia cari tidak berada di tempat ya. And then the number 4 is we connect someone. Ya, we connect someone by saying just a second, I'll get him. Maksudnya kita kalau kita mau menghubungkan dengan orang yang mereka cari, ya. Misal kita sebagai sekretaris, ya, kita menerima telepon dari customer meminta kita untuk berbicara dengan mungkin manajer, ya. Itu bisa mengungkapkan dengan kata-kata yang formal, misal please hold while I put you through to the manager's office, atau hold the line please, I'll put you through in a moment. Ya. Hang on a moment, I'll see if she is in. Itu informal ya. One moment please, ya, I'll see he is available. Jadi the word hang on, ya, hang on itu kalau kita artikan secara literally, hang itu menggantung, tapi kalau hang on itu jauh sekali artinya ya. Hang itu menggantung, hang on menjadi wait. Jadi itu artinya adalah wait a moment, I'll see if she is in. So, yeah, you must understand about this phrase, yeah, the definition of this phrase. And then hold the line please, I'll put you through. Put through, ya. Put through itu kalau put meletakkan, through melalui. Kalau artinya literal seperti itu. Tapi kalau sudah jadi satu, itu artinya menghubungkan atau menyambungkan. Saya akan menyambungkan dalam beberapa saat ya. Please hold while I put you through to, ya. Put through itu artinya menyambungkan to the manager's office. Jadi nanti in the exercise you will have many kind of what we call phrases atau vocabulary that little more difficult. So you must train to understand by looking for in your dictionary. Jadi perlu ya disiapkan kamusnya nanti ya. And then number 5 is taking a message ya. If last week we want to have give a message ya, sekarang sebagai receiver kita yang menanyakan ya, menanyakan bahwa si penelpon itu mau meninggalkan pesan tidak, itu dengan cara berbagai ekspresi ya, bisa can I message, would you like ya, would you like to know. I can tell him you call if you like. Yeah. No, that's okay. I'll call him later. I'm sorry, but Lina's not here now. I'm afraid he is stepped out. Would you like to leave a message? Yeah. She's here now. Would you like her to return your call? Ya, itu disebut sebagai taking a message. Menanyakan bahwa si penelpon itu membutuhkan message atau tidak, seperti itu ya. And then you can analyze by yourself whether in the taking a message ini bisa kalian analisa bahwa ada beberapa yang formal language, ada beberapa yang informal ya. Formal language ya biasanya itu menggunakan kata can I, can you. Ya. Itu biasanya berarti can I take a message, yaitu berarti informal. Kalau dia kata please ya itu dia menjadi sebuah kalimat yang formal ya. Misal di situ ada nggak? Tidak ada ya. Misal menggunakan would you like ya. I'm afraid he step out. Would you like to leave a message ya? Would you like to return your call ya? Itu contoh kalimat yang formal ya. And then confirming a message ya, confirm artinya kita mengkonfirmasi tentang pesan yang mereka berikan, bisa dengan mendeklar lagi apakah ini betul dengan orang ini, alamat ini meninggalkan pesan ini. Jadi kita sebagai profesional ya, we must confirm everything about a message or everything about in telephone communication. Misal, let me repeat that just to make sure it is James Brown at bla 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 bla. Jadi mengkonfirmasi ulang apakah betul ini dengan James Brown ya. Atau dengan menanyakan was that 555 Charles Street apartment 66 ya. I'll make sure he gets the message ya. It is Johnny, right? And you won't be the club until midnight. The informal ya, informal language. Yeah, and then it's Johnny, right? And you won't be a club until midnight. Itu informal ya. And then number 7 is voicemail phrases ya. Voicemail it is the system when we can set it in our mobile phone. It is usually when we are busy, we can set in our phone by making a voicemail phrases. Hey Brad here, what's up? Let me know after the tone, okay? Itu informal ya. Atau di bawah banyak sekali ya contoh voicemail ketika kita sibuk kita bisa set. Lalu dari voicemail itu intinya adalah memberikan pesan bahwa kita sedang ada urusan dan meminta si yang manggil itu apakah mau telepon ulang atau memberikan pesan seperti itu. And B it is the other phrases the other phrases in here we are try to learn about the expression of making a request and asking for the repetition ya. Making a request artinya kita meminta request ya ketika pengen meminta sesuatu ya. Misal, could you please repeat that? Meminta mengulang ya. Would you mind spelling that for me? Could you speak up a little please? Ya, can you speak? Jadi ungkapan untuk meminta sesuatu ya. Ya, it is also it also has the formal and informal language ya. If you look at the expression, the sentence using can you, can I, it is informal ya. But if they use would you mind, would you like to, could you please ya, itu berarti formal ya. And then asking for repetition ya, meminta pengulangan. Misal tidak paham ya, sorry I didn't catch your name and your number please, can you say it again ya, atau can you repeat it again ya, sorry could you repeat your name, I didn't hear that, I didn't understand, dan sebagainya. So in the conclusion in this material we are learning about the expression of receiving a call so you must understand the expression and then you can differentiate between formal language, informal language when we use formal language, in what situation we use informal language you must be able to do that maybe when you are in the final exam I will ask you to make the example of dialogue when you are in the telephone whether you are as the receiver or you are as the caller so you must prepare it very well so now we are going to the next step it is the exercise there are two kind of exercise the exercise 1 it is almost the same with the last week's vocabulary but it will be more little difficult because it is phrasal verb that has the different meaning with the basic word-nya. Contoh tadi dicontohkan tadi ada hold on hold on atau get through, hang up itu berbeda sekali dengan kata hold itu hold memegang atau hold on jauh sekali karena hold on itu artinya adalah menunggu ya. Hold memegang, hold on menunggu. Jadi ini adalah sebuah phrasal verb that you must look for the meaning that is very different with the basic word-nya. Okay, as usual everyone, any one of you who can answer number 2? Ada yang tahu arti dari number 2 ini?
Can I, sir? Can I try?
Okay, what's your name? What's your name?
Finan.
Okay, Finan. Silakan Finan.
Number 2, put a call through.
Mm-hmm.
Connect one caller to another.
Okay, excellent Finan ya. Finan Aji. Betul ya, berarti beda ya antara put through sama get through beda ya. Kalau put a call through itu aktif, kita yang melakukan, kita yang mengkonekkan ya. Jadi put a call through it means ya we connect one caller to another. Okay, excellent Mas Finan Aji. Thank you. Number 3, get through. Nah, ini hampir sama tapi berbeda. Any one of you who can answer number 3, get through? Iya, agak sulit ya. Nggak apa-apa, coba salah nggak apa-apa, ayo. Come on, get through. Ya, Anissa Rahman, silakan.
The answer is F, to be connected to someone on the phone.
Oke, maksudnya apa itu?
Disambungkan ke seseorang dalam
Ya,
telepon.
ya, bedanya sama yang tadi apa? Sama yang put a call through. Bedanya apa?
Kalau yang put a call through itu kita yang menyambungkan, kalau get through itu kita disambungkan gitu, sir. Tinggal
Ya. Jadi biasanya get through yang mendapatkan get through itu adalah si callernya ya, caller yang telepon minta disambungkan, berarti dia get through, to be connected to someone on. Kalau put through itu biasanya yang si receiver-nya ya, dia yang menyambungkan ya. Put through itu connect one caller to another. Thank you ya. Sekarang number 4, hang up.
Can I, sir?
Ya, Jaka Rahmat.
Hang up. The meaning is J, stop talking on the phone.
Ya, what is the meaning of hang up, Mas?
Tutup teleponnya, jadi tutup teleponnya, sir.
Ya betul, ya. Berhenti ngomong intinya itu ya.
Iya.
Berhenti bicara di telepon atau hang up. Betul, thank you Mas Jaka, excellent.
Oke, sir.
Sekarang ya ini yang mudah ya, yang nomor 5 ini karena tidak jauh berbeda. Call up. Ini tidak jauh berbeda dengan arti basic word-nya. Call up, apa itu call up?
Me, sir.
Ya, Nasma, silahkan Nasma.
Call up is meaning make a telephone call, sir.
Call up is?
Make a telephone call, D.
Ya, betul. Make a telephone call. Apa maksudnya itu?
Menelepon, kontak someone by phone.
Ya, betul.
Mengkontak seseorang. Ya.
Betul, betul. Call up, ya, menelpon ya, menelpon seseorang. Make a telephone call, betul. Sekarang number 6, hang on. Nah, ini jauh juga. Ya, Panji.
Jawabannya wait, I.
Apa artinya?
Ya, tunggu sebentar.
Ya,
Jangan tutup
betul ya.
dulu.
Wait ya, itu sama ya. Hang on sama hold on. Itu artinya adalah tunggu atau wait ya, betul. Number 7. Thank you, Mas Panji. Number 7 is call back. Yeah, call back.
Me, sir.
Yeah, what's your name?
Nasma, sir.
Oke, Nasma lagi, silakan.
Callback in here we have H and C, which is
Uh-uh.
meaning return someone's call.
Betul, return someone's call. Apa itu maksudnya, Mbak?
Menelepon balik.
Ya, telepon balik ya, betul ya. Thank you, Nasma ya. Excellent, Nasma. Thank you.
Sir.
Sekarang pick up. Pick up the phone, please. Apa itu pick up?
May I, sir?
Ya, Anissa. Silakan, Anissa.
The meaning of pick up is
Mm-mm.
I answer call, leave the receiver to take a call. Jadi itu
Apa
ngangkat
maksudnya?
telepon, sir.
Ya, menjawab telepon ya dengan mengangkat receiver to take a call, untuk membuka atau menelpon ya, menjawab telepon. Thank you. Sekarang thank you Anissa, pick up udah, sekarang get off.
Me, sir.
Ya. Galileo.
Get off the phone. Meaning is L, deactivate a cell phone.
Apa?
L, deactivate a cell phone.
Relate to get off the phone. Deactivate itu mematikan loh. Kalau get off apakah mematikan? Mematikan tanda kutip tidak bisa telepon lagi. Maksudnya putus dari line. Selain itu apa,
Stop
Mas?
talking the phone.
Ya,
Stop talking on the phone.
itu tadi udah yang hang up. Put the receiver.
Oh, G, put the receiver down.
Ya, put the receiver down. Jadi maksudnya itu menutup telepon ya. Sebenarnya hampir sama sih, sama hang up tadi. Dengan stop ya, stop the phone ya juga bisa sebenarnya. Tinggal konteksnya, tapi intinya adalah get off itu menutup telepon ya dari gagang kita ya. And then number 10, thank you ya Galileo ya. Sekarang get back to someone.
Can I, sir?
Ya,
Jaka.
ya Jaka, silakan Jaka.
Get back to someone. The meaning is F, to be connected to someone on the phone.
Serius itu? To be connected kan sudah tadi.
Oh,
Can I try, sir?
okay.
Ya. Siapa ini?
Uh,
Reza. Ya.
Get back to someone is C. Return someone's call.
Ya, sama ya. Ada 2 tadi ya. Itu sama kayak yang mana, Mas? Get back itu.
Call back.
Ya, call back ya. Call back.
Yes.
Return someone's call atau get back to someone. Ya, betul ya. And now is cut off.
Can I, sir?
Ya, Finan.
Cut off. B, to be disconnected abruptly during a telephone conversation.
ABCD?
B,
B ya. To be disconnected. Apa itu maksudnya? Abruptly
Kayak,
during the telephone.
memotong telepon dulu gitu, berhenti
Ya,
berbicara.
ya betul. Ketika telepon diminta untuk diskonekkan dulu gitu ya, betul ya. Nah sekarang ini yang tadi Mas Galileo salah, switch off atau turn off.
Can
You
I,
can
sir?
try
Ya, Ilmi coba, Ilmi.
switch off atau turn off itu deactivate cellphone.
Ya, apa itu maksudnya?
Mematikan dan ini deactivate itu menonaktifkan.
Betul ya. Switch off itu artinya sudah putus ya. Putus dalam artian tidak hanya ditutup teleponnya tapi dimatikan. Dimatikan bisa dicabut dari kabelnya, atau misal di handphone itu biasanya ada kan, ada tombol turn off atau switch off ya. So the answer is deactivate ya, a cell phone ya. Ini khusus untuk cellular phone, deactivate, switch off atau turn off. Thank you ya Ilmiah. Now is 13. Speak up.
Can I, sir?
Yeah, what's your name?
Jaka.
Okay, Jaka, silakan.
Speak up. The meaning is A. Talk louder.
Ya, apa itu?
Berbicara lebih keras, sir.
Ya betul. Speak up. Lebih keras lagi ya. Talk louder. Ya, betul.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it is the vocabulary. It is more difficult than the vocabulary that we learned last week ya, because it is the phrasal verb. Coba difahami ya, difahami, jangan dihafalkan. Coba difahami betul-betul. Apa itu hold on, put a call through, get through, hang up, itu dipahami betul-betul. Karena artinya sangat berbeda dengan basicnya. Hold on dengan hold jauh berbeda. Hold memegang, hold on bisa menjadi wait, itu harus benar-benar dipahami. Jadi ketika nanti when you have a call in the real life, you can use this kind of phrasal verb very well because you understand it very well also. Okay, now we are going to the exercise 4. Maybe in the exercise 4. It is a little more difficult than the last week's material. So I want you to make it as the project this week ya. Saya ingin menjadikan yang 4 ini sebagai mini project minggu ini ya. Silakan ditulis ya, ditulis tangan boleh, diketik boleh. Silakan diisi the blank page-nya itu, blank question-nya itu dengan verb atau phrasal verb yang ada di atasnya ya. Kalau ada dari situ diambilkan di situ, tapi kalau tidak ada pun bisa diisikan dengan yang kira-kira sesuai dengan kalian. Sebenarnya minggu ini saya ingin memberikan mini project of making example of dialogue, tapi mungkin saya kira tidak dulu ya. Silakan diisi aja ini dulu saja. Yang lebih simpel-simpel dulu saja untuk tugas-tugas mingguan itu. Silakan diisi, silakan dikirim di e-learning ya. Nanti akan saya set untuk tempat kalian mengumpulkan di e-learning. Silakan kalian kirimkan, boleh tulis tangan, boleh diketik ya. How many time you need to do this project? Berapa lama kalian butuh waktu untuk mengerjakan yang number 4 ini?
1 week, sir.
Benar?
Yes, 1 week, sir.
Oke ya, kalian minta ya 1 minggu. Saya set ini hari apa ini? Ini hari Rabu, berarti maksimum hari Rabu kalian sudah mengumpulkan ya. Usahakan ya jangan ada lagi yang error. Maksud saya tidak bisa mengumpulkan karena error ya. Karena kalian sendiri yang membuat itu, karena kalian mengumpulkannya sangat mepet ya. Usahakan untuk dikerjakan sesegera mungkin agar tidak terjadi hal-hal yang seperti minggu lalu. Seperti itu ya, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I think it is enough for the online presentation, online explanation about this material telephone 2. Do you have any question, everyone? Adakah pertanyaan?
Not yet, sir.
Oke. Silahkan dipelajari lagi ya, nanti di final exam in the telephoning 2. Maybe I will ask you to make the example of the dialogue when you have a telephone. Maybe you become the caller or receiver, is up to you. but prepare yourself to make example of the dialogue for the exam, ya, final exam, seperti itu. Oke, sudah diisi presensinya?
Sudah, sir.
Sudah bisa ya?
Nah,
Oke, kalau sudah bisa, terima kasih banyak untuk meeting hari ini ya. Terima kasih untuk responnya. Saya tunggu tugasnya sebagai tugas minggu ini. Saya tunggu paling lambat hari Rabu minggu depan. Jangan lagi dikerjakan secara mepet ya, untuk menanggulangi sistem kita ya. Sistem kita yang kadang error, yang kita tidak bisa memprediksi kapan itu error dan kapan tidak ya. Thank you very much for joining my classroom today. I'm so sorry if I have any mistake when I deliver the material. Hope you can understand about my explanation, and I hope it will be very beneficial for your future. Thank you very much. Good morning ya, masih pagi nih ya. Good morning. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Assalamualaikum.